Rob here with the People Come First Group and Rock Electric. And what I'm going to talk today about is Franklin batteries. What's nice about a Franklin battery in alternate of a generator is a generator, when your power goes off, if you have an automatic transfer switch, the generator is going to have to get a signal that the power went off. The transfer switch triggers and then the generator powers on. So you're gonna have a lag of about 60 seconds that you don't have any power in your house. You also have to have natural gas, and you have to have routine maintenance that happens on your generator every single year. The difference is with a battery, it's gonna power on as soon as the power turns off. So your clocks aren't gonna turn off. In fact, you won't even know that the power turned off because your battery's just immediately engaged. The downside to a battery over a generator is a battery is gonna last you anywhere from a day to 3 days to 5 days to 7 days, depending on how much load you're actually taking off of the battery. Most power outages though, they don't last more than 24 hours. So power goes off, power goes on, you don't lose internet, you don't even really know the power went off or came back on. Life is normal. Not to mention the fact that for 2 days up to a week, depending on how many batteries you had, you have the ability literally to stay completely powered while the power is off to your entire neighborhood. I'm gonna show you the battery. You can see it's mounted inside. These are, the Franklin battery specifically is a less flammable battery. You can see right on the edge of the battery here how much the battery's charged. So this battery's charged at about 75%. So at a quick glance, you can look at what the battery's charged at. And then you also have the ability with a Franklin battery to charge with a generator if you want to. So if you wanted to have both backup sources, you could have that. And you can take your Tesla Cybertruck or F-150 and you can power it back. You could take your electric truck to a charging station, charge it, and then bring it home and charge your batteries at home, and it would easily charge the batteries at home and still give you plenty of charge on your battery in your truck. You could literally buy time with your electric vehicle on your electric batteries at home, even if you didn't have a generator. So very neat function. These charge off of the grid, or they can also charge off of solar. They look beautiful and they can be inside the home or outside the home. So how are we controlling all of this? This is being controlled by something called an A gate. So the A gate is taking the power from the grid and converting it to power that can be stored. And then you're monitoring everything through what's called a spam panel. So there are a lot of advantages to a spam panel. It's a smart panel. But one of the nice things is you program everything inside of an app. You can see exactly how much usage is on the app. And then you also have the ability to print all of this out. You have the ability to easily be able to read this. So in the case that you can see that there's gonna be a prolonged power outage, I can look at my app, see what's being used. Oh, my kids are using too much, turn down or turn off, or tell them they need to turn things off in their room. So that way we can conserve battery power. I can also set this up so that way it takes battery power from the Franklin batteries until I get to 50%. And then at the point in time it gets to 50%, it would kick off some of the other less important things that I need to have in my house, keeping my refrigerator going. I personally have one of these in my home. I absolutely love it. We're here at a homeowner in Issaquah and they absolutely love it as well. In fact, they're recommending it to their parents. This is technology that is here to stay. We're seeing a lot of these get installed around our state and around the country. It is just a really, really neat way to have battery backup. There's no generator, there's no exhaust, there's no noise. It really just makes for a clean system in or outside of your home. Check us out at rockelectricseattle.com or pcfgroup.com. We're happy to come out and give you a bid to put in either a smart panel, like you see here, a spam panel. We're certified for them, also for Franklin, and we're happy to come out and install one of these so the next time a power outage happens in your neighborhood, you don't have to worry about resetting clocks or turning off your internet and turning it back on. Happy to help you.